In this video, we'll create your first sequence and then clearly understand the timeline basics. If you understand this part properly, editing becomes much easier. First, let's talk about what a sequence actually is. A sequence is simply the timeline where your video is edited. Every cut, transition, effect, and audio adjustment happens inside a sequence. Now let's create one. The easiest and best way for beginners is to drag a video clip from the project panel directly into the timeline. When you do this, Adobe Premiere Pro automatically creates a sequence that matches your clip's resolution and frame rate. This helps avoid export and playback issues later, so this method is highly recommended. Once the clip is placed on the timeline, your sequence is created automatically. Now let's understand the timeline layout. At the top, you'll see video tracks, usually labeled V1, V2, V3, and so on. These tracks hold your video clips. Clips placed on higher tracks appear on top of clips on lower tracks. At the bottom, you'll see audio tracks labeled A1, A2, A3, and so on. These tracks hold your original audio, music, and sound effects. Each clip you add appears on its own track, and you can move clips between tracks anytime. Now look at the vertical line moving across the timeline. This is called the playhead. The playhead shows your current position in the timeline. Wherever the playhead is placed, that exact frame is shown in the program monitor. To play or preview your video, you simply press the space bar. As your timeline grows, you'll need to zoom in and out for better control. You can zoom using the timeline zoom slider at the bottom or by using keyboard shortcuts. Zooming in helps you make precise cuts, and zooming out helps you see the full edit. You can also scroll left and right to navigate through the timeline and move the playhead wherever you want. And that's it. You've now created your first sequence and learned the basic structure of the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. In the next video, we'll start actual editing by learning how to trim and cut clips using basic editing tools. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro beginner tutorials in this course.